Welcome to my channel. In just 10 minutes, I'll guide you step by step on how to build this powerful financial model with scenario analysis in Microsoft Excel. Let's get it started. This is our data. This is where we're going to do our modeling from 2022 to all the way to 2026 for a period of 5 years. These are income statement details. These are the assumptions. Okay, we have the revenue, which are the number of units, growth rate in percentage. Then we have growth rate in percentage. We have price per unit. We have cost of goods sold per unit, manufacturing and ordering. Operating expense, we have admin expenses, salaries and wages, marketing, other expenses, and corporate tax. So let's input our growth rate. Let's assume this one will go to 100%. Let's delete. This one is 100. These are the assumptions. Then this 75%. Then 50%. Then 45%. Okay. So let's calculate the number of units, which is equals to 5,000 multiplied by 1 plus the growth rate. Then you press enter, highlight, then Control R to fill. Then let's assume this will remain the same, the number of units. Highlight, then Control R to fill to the left. Then this one also will remain the same. Highlight, then Control R to fill it to the right. This one's too. The operating expenses. Highlight, then Control R. The corporate tax will also remain at 30%. Highlight, then Control R. Okay, let's go back to our model. The next thing we're going to do is the income forecast. So let's do the revenue, which is equals to the number of units. Then we multiply by price per unit. Then press enter. Then let's highlight it and press Control R to fill it to the right. Then let's go to our cost of sales. Then manufacturing equal to the number of units multiply by cost per unit. Then let's look for, let's put a dollar sign. Then let's drag it down. Then let's add the total cost of sales, which is alt equal. Okay. So let's do a gross profit, which is equals to revenue minus cost of sales. Then press enter. Then our gross profit margin, which is pick our gross profit, divide by revenue, then into percentage. Then let's do our expenses equal to that. Then drag it down. Then press alt. Let's add it. Press alt. Press alt equal to auto sum it. Then let's do our operating profit. Let's freeze the first row. Go to view. Then freeze. Then top row. Okay. So let's scroll it up. So let's do our operating profit, which is equals to gross profit minus total expenses. Then press enter. Let's do operating profit in percentage, which is operating profit divided by our revenue, then into percentage. The next thing we are going to do is to calculate our tax. So let's check our tax rate. Our tax rate is 30%. So we're going to use if if formula. So let's do equals to if the operating profit is less than 0, then let it remain 0. Otherwise, pick the operating profit, then multiply by our tax rate. Our tax rate, which is 30%. Then let's do a profit or loss, which is equals to operating profit minus our tax, then press enter. So we're done calculating for 2022. This is how it looks like. So we are going to calculate for the rest of the years, then highlight. Just do Control R to autofill it to the left. Okay, nice. So the next thing we're going to do is to do a scenario analysis. So just write scenario. Then you're going to do a data validation. Go to data, then pick data validation. Change this to list. Then put 1, 2, then press OK. Okay. Now let's go to our assumption. Highlight this. Highlight, then copy. Then paste it there. Then let's copy it, paste, then let's paste it again. We're going to have like 2 scenarios. Let's paste it again. Let's change this one to I think the worst case. Let's go with the lower case scenario. Let it be scenario 2. Scenario 2. So let's change the number of units. Let's first of all re-edit this formula. Okay. Change the number of units to be 3,000. 3,000. Then let these other ones remain. Let's change this to 7. Then 4. Then highlight. Press Ctrl R to autofill it to the right. Then let's go to let the expenses remain. Let's assume tax change in the second last year to 32% and the last year to 35%. Okay, let's copy this. Paste it here. This is going to be our best case scenario. So we can do like uppercase. Uppercase. Then let it be a scenario 1. Then let's rename this to live update. Live update. Okay, so let's insert a formula here. We are going to use choose function is equals to choose. Is equals to choose. Okay, what's our index? Our index is where our data validation is. Let's pick it there. Pick that one. You lock it. Press F4 to lock. Then assumption. The first one is, let's go with the uppercase, then comma, then lowercase, then enter. So this is going to make our model dynamic. So this is it. It's fully dynamic. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so it's fully dynamic. Fully dynamic. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. Goodbye.